Hello everyone and welcome back to my morning report analysis videos with me, Richard, Pro Market Analyst at Hantec Markets on Tuesday, 18th of December. Let's have a look at cable, which continues to hold on really to the fact that the market rallied off the low of 25.27 on Monday, but the resistance of that overhead supply 26.60 remains in place. You've sort of got the confluence now of that resistance plus the downtrend of the past sort of 5-6 weeks coming in at 26.90. You've got the 27.17 is where the 21-day moving average comes in, and that's been the base of resistance for the past 3-4 weeks as well. So you're coming up to a key level again, and it's interesting that this is sort of positioning in front of the Fed really, and I think the Fed's going to be a massive driver of the outlook across the dollar. So obviously that's going to affect sterling dollar as well, even though Brexit is still a massive factor for cable and sterling. But I think that it's setting up for a bit of a pivotal moment, I think, tomorrow evening. Basically, it's just rallied back to resistance 26.60. You've seen that on the hourly chart where you've just unwound again. You can see the overhead supply around that sort of level, 26.60, which is where that rally sort of hit 26.85 the other day, but 26.60 seems to be sort of basis of resistance. So we're at that point now, and I think it will be interesting to see if sterling does start to, or stutter, I suppose, on cable around this sort of level with the big event of the Fed meeting tomorrow. So yeah, this will be an interesting moment, I think, but generally it's set up for that being pivotal, I think, near term. So the momentum indicators are still negatively configured. RSI is just unwound a touch back to the mid-40s. It's been there many times before and not really moved on from there. MACD lines come together a touch, but again, negatively configured. Stochastics, similar sort of story to the RSI. So it's pretty much setting up for, I think, a pivotal day tomorrow with the Fed. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later.